Did you know a Nazi doctor turned children into living experiments at Auschwitz? Between 1943 and 1945, Joseph Mengele hunted for twins at the death camp. He called himself the Angel of Death. Mengele selected over 3,000 twins for his twisted experiments. He injected chemicals into children's eyes, trying to change their color from brown to blue. He performed surgeries without pain medicine, attempting to create conjoined twins by sewing children together. Eva Kor was just 10 years old when Mengele chose her and her twin sister. She watched him inject deadly germs into her sister's spine. Eva survived, but her sister died in agony. Mengele wrote down every detail of his torture sessions. He called it science. When the war ended, fewer than 200 twins were still alive. Mengele escaped to South America. He lived freely in Argentina and Brazil for 34 years, until his death in 1979. He was never caught, never punished. The monster who destroyed thousands of innocent children died peacefully on a beach.